Welcome back to our channel, Traveler's Plan, where we explore the fascinating wonders of the world. In today's video, we'll be diving into the vibrant and culturally rich city of Chennai, India. From its majestic landmarks to its mouth-watering cuisine, Chennai truly has something for everyone. So, let's embark on this virtual journey together and uncover the secrets of this remarkable city. Nestled on the southeastern coast of India, Chennai is a bustling metropolis and the capital city of Tamil Nadu. With its sandy beaches, rich history, and vibrant culture, Chennai is a must-visit destination for travelers looking to explore South India's charm. It is often referred to as the gateway to South India, due to its strategic location and well-connected transport links. Chennai has a fascinating historical background that spans over centuries. It was originally known as Madras and was founded in the 17th century by the British East India Company. The city flourished as a major trading post and became the headquarters of the British administration in South India. Today, Chennai seamlessly blends its colonial past with modern development, offering visitors a unique glimpse into its rich heritage. Chennai has a diverse and vibrant cultural scene that showcases the traditions and art forms of Tamil Nadu. From classical music and dance performances to traditional festivals and religious rituals, the city is a melting pot of cultural experiences. The famous Margazhi festival, showcasing classical Carnatic music and dance, attracts enthusiasts from all over the world. Chennai is home to numerous landmarks and monuments that highlight its historical and architectural significance. The iconic Fort St. George, built during the British colonial period, is a prominent attraction and houses the St. Mary's Church and the Fort Museum. The Kapalishwara Temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva, is a stunning example of Dravidian architecture and draws devotees and tourists alike. Chennai showcases an impressive array of colonial architecture that reflects its British heritage. The architectural styles range from Indo-Saracenic to neoclassical, with buildings like the Madras High Court, Senate House, and the iconic Chepauk Palace creating a striking colonial backdrop in the city. One cannot miss the exquisite Dravidian architecture that adorns Chennai's temples and structures. The majestic Sri Parthasarathi Temple, with its intricate carvings and colorful gopurams, tower gateways, is a sight to behold. The Vallava Kottam, a memorial to the renowned Tamil poet and philosopher Thiruvalluvar, showcases the grandeur of Dravidian architecture with its chariot-shaped structure. Food enthusiasts will be delighted by the traditional Tamil cuisine that Chennai has to offer. Famous for its rice-based dishes, such as idli, dosa, and sambar, Chennai's culinary scene is a treat for the taste buds. Don't forget to savor the authentic Chettinad cuisine, known for its aromatic spices and flavor-packed dishes. Chennai's street food culture is a culinary adventure in itself. From the crispy and spicy murukku to the mouth-watering kothu parota, the city's street vendors serve up an array of flavorful delights. Make sure to try the famous filter coffee, a staple beverage that will give you the perfect caffeine kick. So, pack your bags and get ready to explore the vibrant, historical, and mouth-watering world of Chennai. It's a city that will captivate your senses and leave you with memories to cherish. Chennai, the land of culture, flavors, and architectural wonders, awaits your arrival. Chennai is known for its stunning beaches, and Marina Beach is the crown jewel. With its iconic stretch of sandy shoreline, Marina Beach offers a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. Take a leisurely stroll along the promenade, munch on some delicious street food, or simply sit back and soak in the breathtaking views of the Bay of Bengal. But be warned, Marina Beach can get crowded, so brace yourself for some serious people watching. If you're in the mood for some greenery and tranquility, Chennai has an array of beautiful parks and gardens to explore. From the well-manicured lawns of the Semoji Punga to the lush greenery of Gindi National Park, there's a perfect spot for every nature lover. So pack a picnic and spend a lazy afternoon enjoying the serenity amidst Chennai's urban chaos. Shopping enthusiasts rejoice. Chennai is home to some vibrant shopping districts that cater to every taste and budget. From the bustling streets of T. Nagar, known for its traditional silk saris and jewelry, to the trendy boutiques of Nungambakkam, where you can find the latest fashion trends, Chennai has it all. So grab your shopping bags and get ready to indulge in some retail therapy. When the sun goes down, Chennai comes alive with its thriving nightlife and entertainment scene. Whether you want to dance the night away at a trendy club, enjoy live music performances, or catch a movie at a multiplex, there's no shortage of options to keep you entertained. So put on your dancing shoes and get ready for a night of fun and excitement in Chennai. Chennai has a rich cultural heritage, and its arts and crafts scene is a testament to that. From intricate tanjore paintings to stunning kalamkari textiles, Chennai is a treasure trove of traditional art forms. Explore the city's art galleries and handicraft markets to immerse yourself in the vibrant colors and exquisite craftsmanship that Chennai has to offer. Chennai is also known as the cultural capital of South India, and its music and dance performances are a testament to its rich artistic traditions. From classical Carnatic music concerts to energetic Bharatanatyam dance performances, there's no shortage of cultural delights for the art connoisseur. So sit back, relax, and let the mesmerizing rhythms and graceful movements transport you to a world of artistic bliss. Before you embark on your Chennai adventure, here are a few essential travel tips to keep in mind. First and foremost, stay hydrated and carry a water bottle with you, as Chennai can get quite hot and humid. It's also a good idea to dress modestly, especially when visiting religious sites. And lastly, don't forget to try the local cuisine, especially the mouth-watering dosas and filter coffee. Respecting local customs and traditions is crucial when visiting Chennai. Remember to remove your footwear when entering temples or someone's home, and always ask for permission before taking photographs of people. It's also important to be mindful of conservative dress codes, especially in more traditional areas. By showing respect for the local culture, you'll not only have a more fulfilling experience but also leave a positive impression on the people of Chennai. In conclusion, Chennai truly encapsulates the essence of South India, offering a delightful blend of tradition and modernity. Whether you are drawn to its historical landmarks, tantalizing flavors, picturesque beaches, or thriving cultural scene, Chennai has something to offer for every traveler. As you bid farewell to this enchanting city, take with you the memories of its vibrant colors, warm hospitality, and the unique experiences that make Chennai an unforgettable destination. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of Chennai and that it ignited your curiosity to explore this city in person someday. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures around the world. Until next time, happy exploring.